أعبر عن شعوري وأقول أشعر بالملل. I feel bored. I feel bored. أما إذا أردت أن أصف شيئا بأنه ممل boring. The lesson is boring. الدرس ممل. I feel bored. I feel bored. The lesson was boring. The lesson was boring. كيف تقول بالإنجليش أشعر بالدوار أو بالعامية أحس إني دايخ؟ I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I can't bear this humid weather. Humid رطب والاسم منها humidity رطوبة. humidity رطوبة. لا أستطيع تحمل هذا الطقس الرطب. I can't bear this humid weather. I can't bear this humid weather. اليوم الرطوبة عالية جدا. Today the humidity is very high. Today the humidity is very high. بدون لا أقعد ألف ودور دعني أدخل في صلب الموضوع. Let me get right to the point. Let me get right to the point. Let me get straight to the point. Let me get straight to the point. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Don't exaggerate. Don't exaggerate. He was exaggerating. He was exaggerating. I hate exaggeration. I hate exaggeration. Sorry for being late. Sorry to interrupt. I apologize to you. I think so. I hope so. It's up to you.